Let's see how a CI/CD pipeline automates web development in under 60 seconds. We will take a code change from an editor to a live website. I'll open my index.html file and I will make some changes. So let's say I'm making a change in this heading. Go to pull request, create new pull request. We will select our feature branch and now it is showing one file change. So this is the change that we have made. Okay, I'll say create pull request, click on create pull request, and now if you will see here, no new build is running. Okay, right now this is the last build that ran 34 minutes ago. Now we are merging this pull request, and as soon as we merge this pull request, our build on the pipeline should start. Okay, this is the automation that we have done. Click on merge request and confirm merge. Okay, this pull request has been merged. And now if you can see, as soon as we have merged this, the pipeline is in the pending state, and see it has started running now. We click on this and we go to pipeline overview. So you can see these were the steps in our pipeline, and it is saying that the changes are deployed. See, the post actions has been done. The pipeline is showing a success. Click on this link, and if we refresh it, as soon as we refresh it, see, we are getting our updated changes and our title has also been updated. So that is the power of CI/CD pipeline.